PowerFamily.
What's up, PowerFamily? How you guys doing? What's up, everybody else? How you guys doing? This is the Power99FM here, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of a very special thing I got off eBay for $100. I believe it's brand new if memory serves me correctly. But we shall dig in the box and see in just a minute. I got myself a combo. I got myself an Apple Magic Mouse 2 right here and an Apple Wireless Magic Keyboard 2 right here. It's a combo. Which I'll be doing the unboxing of it right now. But I just want to show you real quick. Alright, so as you can see here, this is the Apple Wireless Keyboard. Right here is the Apple Wireless Keyboard 1, Magic Keyboard 1, and right up there is the Apple Wireless Keyboard, Apple Magic Wireless Keyboard number 2 up there. And that's the trackpad, Apple Magic Trackpad 1, Apple Magic Trackpad 2, and the number pads right there, and that's the Apple Magic Mouse 1 right there. I have this keyboards right here for my 4 monitor setup right here. So why did I get another Apple Magic Mouse 2 and Apple Magic Keyboard 2? Good question. It's for this setup over here, so I can get rid of the Logitech keyboard right there and put the Apple Wireless Keyboard, Magic Keyboard 2 right up there. The Logitech mouse, I love that Logitech MX Master mouse. I'm not going to get rid of it. I use the Logitech MX Master mouse right there on my 4 monitor setup. I don't use the Magic Mouse for that because it's too slow when I scroll. Even if I turn up the scrolling speed all the way up, it's still slow. It just won't jive. It won't move right. That's why I'm using the Logitech MX Master Mouse version 1 over there. As far as the Apple Magic Mouse 2, I'm gonna have to see how that is. I've never used it before, so I hook it up to this Mac Pro 2008, and I'll see if it works. If it's too slow too and it doesn't really work, then I might just stick with my good old Logitech MX Master Mouse Series 2 S over there that I have right there. The new one is right there. Oh, that's the old one. Never mind. I don't have the 2S box anymore. I must have threw that away. Never mind. So I'm gonna be using that Logitech mouse over there. If the Magic Mouse 2 doesn't really jive, and if it's too slow, I might just use the MX Master Mouse. But I'm gonna take away the Logitech keyboard and put that away and use the Apple Magic Keyboard 2 hooked up to that Mac Pro. And then these are the other ones right here hooked up to my 4 monitor setup over there, and that's my iPad 3 right there, and my 2006 Mac Pro right there, and I have another 2008 Mac Pro right there. So I'm gonna do the unboxing right now. I just wanted to give you a quick little summary of what I'm going to do. The most important thing I forgot to get a knife. Okay, so what knife should we get for this unboxing? Let's see. No, that's bent. Isn't that? That's bent. Wow, that's bent. That's no good. How about this knife? Yeah, I'm sure this will work. It's nice and it's tiny. Okay, let's try this one. If not, I'll come back for more. I have a whole supply. Okay, so here we go. Alright. So, as you can see, oh no, damn. Why? Why must you fall down? Why? Okay, are we stable now? I hope so. That's the first sound that fell down. Are we stable now? Can I continue on with the unboxing? Are you going to fool me again? No? Are you sure? You sure you're not going to fool me again? Because if you fool me again, I'm going to really lose it. Okay, it looks stable. I hope it is. Okay, so as I was saying before that thing fell down, okay, so the front of the box, it says designed by Apple in California. Right there in the front of the box. And the back of the box is nothing. On the side, there's no Apple logo. Nothing. Nothing. Funny. I thought there was an Asian Apple logo on the side. I guess not. Okay, so we got into this box. There we go. Taking out the little baggie, the box. Oh, is that side? Really? We have to do both sides? Okay, there we go. No? We have to do the other side too? Oh. Okay, there we go. Release. One. Come on. Damn, this is hard to get out. Still had to do wait. That side is. Damn it. I forgot to do this side. You have to do all four sides. Now release. There we go. Wow. This is nice. Look at that. Yep, this is brand new. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. That is nice, man. That is nice. Look at that. The Apple Magic Mouse 2 right there, and the Apple wireless keyboard 2 right there. That's so nice, man. That's so nice. Man. Yeah, this thing's like brand new, man. There's no dust on it or nothing. This thing is brand new, man. Look at that. Wow, man. I've never had an Apple Magic Mouse 2 keyboard. Mouse before. It's a keyboard. Mouse. Apple Magic Mouse 2. I never had one of these before. The only problem is with these is the charging port is down in the bottom, so you can't use it when it's charging, yes, but it lasts about, on a single charge, it lasts for about a month, and it only takes about 5 to about 10 minutes to charge them the full charge, and they last for a month. So that's pretty good. That's what I've heard. I don't know if that's really true. I have to do some testing on my own to see, but it looks to be pretty good. It's nice and it's lightweight. It's nice and small. It's just like the other Apple Magic Mouse. It's just like the other one. It's really cool, man. Now it's time for the Apple keyboard. Look at that. That's really nice, man. That's really nice. Look at that, man. That's really nice. And I got this off eBay, too. Brand new, man. Brand new. Not a speck of dust on it. Brand new. Look at that. It's just like brand new. This keyboard is so lightweight, man. It feels like there's no weight at all to it. It feels so lightweight. Oh, it comes with, I guess, an instruction manual right there. It probably has an apple sticker. Let's see if it has an apple sticker. Probably does. Wow, that's funny, man. That is funny. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. It's funny. Look at that. It says iMac. It says iMac right there. That's really cool. So I guess this went to an iMac, I guess. Yep, it went to an iMac. Wow. It says welcome to your iMac. Look at that. Welcome to your iMac. That's funny, man. This says welcome to your iMac. Hey, man, I got an iMac again. Wow, this is cool, man. I got myself an iMac. Wow, this is nice, man. See that? It says welcome to your iMac. Right there. Welcome to your iMac. That's really cool, man. That's really nice. It shows a picture of an iMac right there. Wow, that's pretty cool, man. That's pretty nice. It comes with the charger right here. This is the charging this is the lightning cable to charge the devices right there. So that's pretty cool. No Apple stickers, not that I can see. Let's see what other goodies we have in here. Oh, it does. It's Apple stickers. Oh wow, look at that. It's Apple stickers. Dude, yeah, you see, man, this is brand new. It has Apple stickers. Wow, man, this is brand new. It has Apple stickers. That's really cool, man. That's really nice. That's really cool, man. I like this, man. It has Apple stickers. Man, that's really cool, man. I'm gonna put these Apple stickers somewhere nice. That's really cool, man. I got myself some Apple stickers. Oh, and it comes with a microfiber cloth too. Right here. That's really cool. That's pretty nice. Put this back in the box. Yeah, so I'm gonna be hooking this up to my 2008 Mac Pro with my 3 monitors. So that's really crazy since working the iMac. I do plan on getting myself an iMac pretty soon. I saw some on eBay that were really nice. I plan on doing the unboxing of that, so stay tuned for that. That's going to be in the works. I plan on doing that pretty soon. Yeah, I plan on doing that pretty soon. Yep. So this goes right here. All back together. I need that lightning cable to charge my devices. So yeah, that's pretty nice, man. That's pretty cool. Pretty nice. So I can't wait to hook this up to my 2008 Mac Pro. There we go. Okay, there we go. Yeah, so I plan on doing an unboxing of an iMac pretty soon. So that should be good. So I hope everyone enjoys that unboxing of this beautiful Apple Magic mouse and Magic Keyboard 2 unboxing that I did for you today. So I'll see you in the next video, Power Family. As always, do not forget to subscribe, like, and comment for more from the one, the only, Power99FM. I'll see you in the next video, Power Family. Peace. And stay classy, yo. And I hope everyone likes my Spider-Man shrine I have going on there. It's improving slowly but surely. I have to clean up the drains, but other than that, it's coming along nicely with my game shrine up there. So that's really cool. So I'll see you in this video, Power Family. And I will update you on the Apple Magic Mouse 2 keyboard and Magic Mouse 2 just as soon as I do some testing. And the review of the Logitech Z906 is coming. It's in the works. So stay tuned for that. So I'll see you in the next one, guys. Peace. Stay classy, yo. Stay classy.
Squab waiting comment to the Power99FM.
Well, at least she said the Power99FM good, so that's good. But the other stuff was just way off, so. You just won't go back? I sit down on it and it breaks.